The problem with having a job is that you spend all of your time and energy there, making it difficult to leave because guess what? You're already tired, unmotivated, and struggling to make progress. You'd rather sit down, watch Netflix, and drink a beer. A wealthy person with a wealthy mindset would simply ask, how can I get paid to do things I already do? But what if you could already get paid to do what you naturally do, like watching this video? To get paid to watch videos in your spare time no matter how busy you are at work or school. And this is the only way you guys have to think about it. Because there are simple ways when you watch videos and do these simple methods that could pull in really good money. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to make money online just by watching videos. Let's now get going. Some of these methods, as I mentioned, have generated $35K to $246K. Another one that people in our community use to go from 0 to 30 grand a month in 5 to 8 weeks is Diana, a stay-at-home mom. Or Gregory, who is 58 years old, for example, from Chile, where the average monthly income is literally $500. The most important thing to remember is that you must first understand how to generate money on the internet before you can make money watching videos. Real estate is one of several topics to investigate. Real estate online is just as real as real estate offline. The problem is how to build digital real estate. Once you have ownership of the property, you are free to market your own goods and services as well as those of third parties in exchange for a commission. If you own property with goods and services on it, and if you own that property, someone may physically approach you and ask, "Hey, can I put a billboard here?" When they do, you will essentially make money. You will get paid for that. These are the three possibilities then, right? You can either sell your own goods and services through affiliate marketing, own real estate, or sell it to businesses so they can install digital billboards on it. So how does watching films help you build and create real estate? Well, whatever you are, whatever attribute fits you, whatever identification trait you have, there are actually individuals just like you eager to see how to react to other videos. Now, there are ways that you don't need to reveal your face on camera, but for this first option, you do. Like the ones that these guys did. They were not required to appear on camera. But check this out. Look at this lawyer's reaction to Legally Blonde, which has received 3.7 million views. This represents 3.7 million eyeballs and the intention in viewers' minds to view the video in question. Here's another one. Look at this nurse's reaction to Grey's Anatomy, which has received 3.7 million views. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. You might as well react to Grey's Anatomy if you're already watching it and you're a nurse, right? Or how about this one? For the first time, a rapper reacts to anime openings. Whatever video you're naturally doing and viewing, and whatever characteristic you're naturally having, for example, who you are, you should create videos of yourselves reacting to it because it literally generates an audience. And when you build an audience, you can make money. You can successfully complete that by selling billboards, as an example. I accomplished this by creating online content using Google AdSense and requesting permission to display some billboards on your site. Regardless of your location or the platform you're using, you can create digital real estate where you can either sell your own goods and services or those of others. Or you can sell billboard space to go ahead and advertise. The second method for making money while watching videos now places more emphasis on the billboard side in an effort to replicate it precisely. Visit vidtalk.com where they actually have all of the current YouTube commercials to perform this. You can watch some of these there. These people are visible because I simply typed Restore Vision. You typed Livestream Network Whole Wellness for You into the search bar and wondered, okay, well, if a lot of people are utilizing these videos, what the heck genuinely is this video? So you watch the video to see how it turned out and whether you would be paid for it. Let me watch it for glasses or contacts. You must see this a Japanese Nobel Prize winning scientist. So you can see that's a robot voice. No one is showing their face on camera. They are using these videos in the back end, right? And this is 26 million views, so that's a lot of attention. Literally, a lot of attention. Since I already knew it worked and it just takes 3 minutes, I would watch this and take notes on everything they say. Because the facts that they stated, what they said, and received 26 million views, this demonstrates that it works. Simply put, I would immediately sign up for a free ClickBank account. ClickBank is wonderful since there are so many things to offer, some of which are e-commerce products. They'll manage the shipping, handling, and customer support, spend their own money on inventory, and do all the hard work with little risk to you and me, while we make the majority of the money. So you go to the affiliate page, click on the email swipe because they pay a copywriter a lot of money to go ahead and write these emails. Go ahead and sell on the email. And I would copy and paste certain words that are in terms of weight loss and replace them with the ones that talk about vision impairment. And then before you know it, you've made a lot of money. Now all you have to do is submit a fresh script to the top voiceover company, Lovo.ai, and you'll have an advertisement that may potentially earn millions of views for items you didn't even have to spend a dime on in terms of inventory, shipping, or client acquisition. That makes sense, right? I enjoy it because it's just another way to make money in affiliate marketing by watching videos and imitating what other people do. Guys, does that make sense? Once more, using ClickBank as one approach. I was able to go from 0 to 8K in 30 days without spending any money on inventory, shipping, or handling in the health and wellness market. But what's holding you back if all you want to do is generate money online? People in our community, such as Dina, a stay-at-home mother who went from nothing to 30 grand a month in 5 to 8 weeks, or Gregory, who is 58 years old, are all doing exactly that. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.